Success is not an easy priority. To achieve greatness, one has to master all that gets thrown at them and engrave those results deep within one's own will. A combination of this beautiful language of C++ and SFML, thanks Barn Straw Soup, creates an intrinsic cocktail called Uno, not official Uno. Some say this is rather complicated, yet others say that this project is pretty easy to create. From personal experience, I can assure you that my Uno project has definitely had its ups and downs. First off, let's see a demonstration of my current project. Here we can see that we have created all the necessary core classes that make up the coding part of the program, and the GUI is implemented deep inside of the Uno card game class. Our basic classes don't do much except assist our core classes that are made up of our background class, our card variable class, and our image class. Our core classes that are used crucially will be the card, deck, discard pile, player/player link list, along with Uno game classes. Our card class is the main class that creates the object, which will be used to create an SFML object, and it also contains some basic functions that allow us to draw or do whatever else needed. The player and player list classes will be used as a linked list and as a node that will keep track of who is the current player and all the stats needed to keep track of who might be winning the game. We can also see that the discard pile will be a stack and the deck will be a vector of a card pointer. All these classes contain the basic core functions needed to make a stack, a linked list, or a function work properly. In the Uno game class, we can see that some of the basic SFML code is already applied, but a lot is missing from the final product. Some of the challenges I have faced mainly have to do with coding with the SFML part, as it is something that I have truly not mastered yet.
And this, what is this? She's awesome.
One other thing I may add was using my image class properly. I have tried using my image class but kept getting some errors. Thus, I decided I would comment that class out for now and fix it later when I have finished the rest of the code. I think I have an idea of what the error was and I should be tampering with that soon after class is over. Comparing my progress so far with my original expectation, I can say that it has so far been adequately fulfilled. The one thing I have to implement a little bit more will be the SFML coding to make my program look neater, have some audio, and maybe settings, and also create a splash screen that will take care of the requirements for the final submission. A fallback plan I intend to think about now will be to maybe settle down on the nitty-gritty details about the program and focusing more on the coding only part of the gameplay. A little sneak peek of my program will be shown below. We can see that although it looks promising, it has to be polished, but as Dave says, as long as the program works, why mess with it if there's a chance of messing it up, right?